form a angle. You see, this is the conus medullaris. This is the conus medullaris. You see, spinal cord, it end like an angle. Okay. So this is conus medullaris.
So A
This
is
one,
conus medullaris.
A is conus medullaris. Okay. Clear? It form an angle like this. But you see, then pyometer, it descends downwards. It descends downwards. So this one, the phylum terminally. The B is the coda equina, because all together. This is the coda equina. These are the coda equina. Okay? And then you see here, this is the end, this is the dura and the arachnoid matter. But phylum terminally, it descends downwards and it comes up to the coccyx. Okay? This is the phylum terminally.
الحين دورة وبايا وسبركرايد يعني which one is the inner?
Paya.
Paya. Subarachnoid.
Yes, paya, arachnoid and dura. Dura, most outer one, paya, the inner one.
Doctor, so there is two terminal phylum?
No, phylum terminally.
What is this is final?
After
No. Phylum terminally?
conus and here.
No. Just remember, conus medullaris, conus, the end point of the spinal cord. But phylum terminally, it's not nervous tissue. It's the covering. It's the pyometer. Okay, it means it's not. Just you see here. You see. This is the pyometer. This is not nervous tissue. This is the yeah. You see here, because pyometer, it covers spinal cord, most inner one. Then when spinal cord end, what happens? Two sides layer, they fuse. Then they descend at a single layer. Okay? Up to the tip of the coccyx. That is phylum terminally.
And phylum terminal is
Yeah, it's a cover. It's
a cover.
It's not a nerve. Remember, phylum terminally, it's not a nerve. It's a non-nervous tissue. Means the covering. It's the meninges, part of the meninges. It's the covering. So it is now non-nervous
So
tissue.
it extends from the conus medullaris and to the end.
Yeah. So the covering of the spinal cord means the innermost layer of the meninges. It extends, when the spinal cord finishes, it extends up to the tip of the coccyx. That is the phylum terminally. Extension of pyometer is called phylum terminally. Extension of pyometer is called phylum terminally.
Only the middle line here,
Yes, just
or this area.
no, here. You
Only
see?
the middle
These
line.
are the nerve. You see, these are the
So
nerve.
this is coda equina.
These are the coda equina. But you see here, these things are the pyometer. This is the pyometer. Phylum terminally. So what is the phylum terminally? It is the extension of the pyometer. It's a non-nervous tissue.
What is B?
Sorry. This B is coda equina. Okay. So conus medullaris, ending point of the spinal cord. Conus medullaris, all the nerve. When spinal cord finish, then all the nerves comes out from the spinal cord. Okay. But it descends downwards to look for its corresponding intervertebral foramen, because you see all nerve form here. But you see the one nerve, it just exists through this, because when it exists through this, as for example, it is fourth lumbar nerve. It just look for its fourth intervertebral foramen. If it is first sacral, it look for the first sacral intervertebral foramen. That's why it just descends. When it find its corresponding intervertebral foramen, it exits. Okay. So, but the coccygeal nerve, also the fifth sacral nerve, they are more downwards. So it just descend downwards, and you see it look for corresponding intervertebral foramen, then it exit. So when all the nerves comes out from the spinal cord, it looks like a horse tail. Coda means horse, coda means tail, and equina means horse.
So doctor, in spinal cord you have to know three things. The conus medullaris, which is the end of the spinal cord. Coda equina, which is the
Bundle of the nerves.
bundle of nerves. And then we have
Phylum terminally, extension of the pyometer.
And what is the last thing?
How can I differentiate between phylum terminally and coda equina?
Yeah, coda equina, you see all the nervous tissue, and phylum terminally is the most middle one, so median, just only the medial one. Okay. When these spinal cord finish, then you see one is at the tip of the conus medullaris. So when you find one thing at the tip of the conus medullaris, that is the phylum terminally. the tip of the conus medullaris. Okay?
Doctor, what is the last thing, the end of the spinal
Cord.
The last thing, خلاص.
Yeah, last thing just only up to these are the coda equina. So these things, this is the this margin, you see, this is the arachnoid matter and dura matter. These are the arachnoid matter and dura matter end here 2-3 level, and then phylum terminally it descends up to the coccyx.
But all of these
The coccyx, what is it?
وقفي.
The phylum terminally